Hi, welcome to ApartForYou video tutorials on domestic appliance repairs, brought to you by apart4you.com for all your household spares and apart4you.co.uk for all your rare spares. Please note all work should be done by a qualified person and make sure the appliance is disconnected from your electricity supply. Please remember to come and visit our websites, as that's what keeps us going. You'll be able to purchase all your appliance parts and watch more free video tutorials on domestic appliances. Right, here we go, working on a DC04, checking it for lack of suction. Just taking the tools and the cyclone assembly off. All these parts you can see on these videos you are able to purchase from our site, apart4you.com. Right, taking the cylinder assembly off. As you can see, it's half full of fluff at the moment. We're not going to change the filters in this video. I'm doing that in another video. Just using a paintbrush to clear all the debris. Right, we're going to check inside the base plate here now. There's a pipe you'll see on the left hand side which can get clogged, and also another fault could be the belt is snapped. Again, I'll be doing this on another video. All clear on this and the belt's in good condition. The base plate itself just clips in. Sometimes the arms can wear on these. The protection arms you can see in the middle. Not expensive to replace. The screws actually only turn about quarter of a turn. Right, just make sure the seal you can see on the actual cylinder itself there is in good condition, and it just clips into place. Another place that can fill, to show you a close-up here. Right, now we're going to take the wand assembly off. This is held in place with just a push fit clip, which I'll show you again close up of in a second. Again, the wand arm and the hose can all be bought at our shop if it has perforations in it or split. And you can see the little button just underneath the handle there. That's just got to be pushed in. It can be a little bit stiff if it hasn't been removed for a while, as this one is. There we go, we'll place it now. Just pushes into place. Don't force any of these because they are plastic. Now we're going to remove the base pipe. It's got a little lever clip holds in place. This sometimes can be full of fluff or debris, especially after Christmas. And as you can see here, it just slides into a groove system. And then just clips into place. I'll show you that again. Dropping the hoover nearly. Now this one just lifts up slightly to unclip, and there you go. Remember to come and visit our shop where you'll be able to watch more videos and buy any parts that you need. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks very much for watching.